Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can increase the subtitle size on your Netflix. So, I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Netflix app and then log in with your account and choose the profile that you visit every day. Then you'll be over here in this platform. Now from here, what you need to do is you just go on the top right corner where you'll find this three dot option. Just go over here and then go to settings, and then from here just go to account details. And once you are over here, what you need to do is just go to your profile and then go to your profile again, and then all a bit down you'll be having option which is subtitle appearance. Just go over here, and from here you can change your subtitle size. So the default one is medium. You can choose to small one, large one, like this. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.